It's me, Lil.
They said you stopped looking.
I never stopped.
Ethan?
Yeah, I'm here. I got you. I know.
They made me say things.
I know.
I'm sorry.
No, don't you dare apologize.
Anya Volkov. You knew my name. Mikhail said it. When? I do. I saw him on an old recording. Marcus kept it. Mikhail said if the watch opened, you'd come. He said you always came when he called. He wasn't afraid of dying.